Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back. So I'm about to put these quarter rounds in. They're brown right now, clearly y'all can see that, but I'm gonna spray paint them gold. These are for the front part, and the front part of the bus is black and gold, so I had to go ahead and get to it. And to install them, I gotta use this little air gun thing that I got from my daddy. I'm scared. I'm really scared because I don't know if I'm doing it right. If I'm gonna do it right. I don't want nobody for 1 second to think this is a joke. Look at my face. I'm not playing. I did it! Did they go all the way? Oh, this shit oh, man. That's because that right there, it ain't even, fuck. Let's get this out. Okay, so maybe I gotta do it going towards the ground. Maybe it'll stick in the ground. I'll try it. It worked! Hey! I'm psyched. It worked and I'm psyched. Hey, they come out. I'm really excited. I don't even know how many I'm supposed to do. That actually is not even in there unless it went down there. Ooh, that ain't going in either. Oh, I see what I want. So I just had to go down the line and stick this thing in there. I was definitely excited because I ain't never used it before. I was scared and I got it done. After a few times, I felt like I was a pro, boy. You couldn't tell me nothing. And now I gotta use the Sawzall. I'm scared. What's up there? Again, I don't want y'all for a second to think I was joking. I was so scared, okay? It works. Okay. Hold on, do it one more time. Okay, alright. I was still scared, but I had to do what I had to do. Then I tried to use this thing. My daddy taught me how to use it, but I didn't remember. And he also gave me this pencil that wasn't sharpened at all. And I don't even know how do you sharpen an octagon? Well, I don't know what shape it is. It ain't a circle. But yeah, I was making marks with the white part. Probably definitely should have something on my face. And I have some goggles, but for some reason I couldn't find it, so I just put my glasses on. By this time, I was a little bit irritated with like, come on now. But I was like, oh, got that cut in there. Then I just had to play Tetris and put it up against the wall. I know I didn't do the corner right. Don't nobody come in the comments telling me what I should have did. You ain't here, you ain't do it, so bye. But yeah, I had to do the nail gun thing again. And this is basically it. I gotta do the back, which I gotta do those white, but I'll do it later. And then I do have the caulk. I haven't caulked yet. So as you can see, like the bottom is the bus. It's the bus. But here is how it looked afterwards. And like I said, I didn't do the caulk yet. I ain't fixed all the ins and out. But this basically it. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Toodaloo.